Hello guys, so I'm back with another video and can you guess what it is? So it is my first Nykaa haul video. So this video is basically regarding the skin and hair care products that you must have. So let's start. I got all the products from Black Friday sale and hence I just got them at a very huge discount. There was low GST on the products also. I got a super discount, I don't know how, but yeah, I got, and for $750 I got all the products. There are 8 products that I got for $750, just $750. So let me tell you sequence wise for how much money I paid. So these are the products. So the first up is the blueberry face mask that was of ₹100 and I just bought it for ₹40. So the first up is the blueberry face mask. This is from the Face Shop. So for tanning problem, I would really suggest you to use masks and creams that are really capable of getting rid of it. Also, you just really need to take care of your skin on a daily basis. For that, you should get some face masks or face packs, that whatever suits you. So the face masks, there are several face masks, but I have bought blueberry face mask. Face mask is really a great deal. So basically what these face masks do, it really refreshes and moisturizes your skin, because if you squeeze out a face mask, then you can find a huge amount of moisture that is available in the mask, and it really moisturizes your skin a lot. You can really see a difference. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to face wash, and then after that you really need to apply a toner. After that you have to set the mask according to your eyes, nose and lips, and after that just slowly and subtly you have to apply it on the face and let it be on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes and then take it off. And then definitely you're gonna feel so refreshing and soothing. Next up is the Garnier Masala Cleansing Water, which was costing me ₹370 and I bought it for only ₹85. It's every 400 ml bottle gives us 200 uses. So basically people with sensitive skin, they have many problems regarding the makeup products, regarding if they are using some of the makeup products, okay, they are suiting them fine, but how to remove, what product to use to remove your makeup. So here I'll be telling you to use a Garnier Masala Cleansing Water. This is Hair Up with me, and this really removes your makeup, cleanses and soothes your skin. This is dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested and proven. People with any sort of skin types, different sort of skin types, can use this. So it does not require a harsh rubbing on your eyes, on your lips, just one swipe and there you go. For these 2 lip shades, one is from Faces and one is from Lakme, that I got at a very convenient price. And would you believe I got a Lakme for just ₹80. These are the 2 shades that I'll be applying and showing you later on. So let's get on to another product. Then the next up is the Dr. Batra's Hair Fall Control Serum. That was costing around ₹625 and I bought it for only ₹250, less than half the amount. Dr. Batra's Hair Fall Control Serum. Long time ago I was using this product and it's just amazing, and I was like facing a huge hair fall issue, and I got it again, so I just bought the another one. And I really like this product because it has really helped me controlling my hair fall. You need to spray it onto your hair, and also you have to ensure that it reaches your hair strands. So basically this is enriched with watercress, Indian cress extract, henna, amla extract and thuja. So basically these are all the herbal products that are being used in this series. So you guys can also check it out on this. Next is the Streaks Hair Serum. That was of ₹210 and I got it for only ₹69. So the next up is the Streaks Vita Rich Hair Serum. So basically this is rich in vitamin E, and for using this you don't need to apply it on your roots. This has to be applied away from the roots, that is on the hair part, to the tips of your hair, or from this portion to the tips. It helps nourishes your hair and also give you a frizz-free hair. So how you have to use this, you just need to take a small amount on your palm and then apply it onto your hair, and that's it. I've been using this product since so long, and I just don't use it on daily basis, but like on alternate days I apply it. So after the hair wash I used to apply it, and sometimes if I feel my hair is frizzy, then I apply Sweet's hair serum. Then comes the Layer Watergirl Splash collection. This is from a classic collection, and this was costing me around 270 rupees, and I got it for only 77 rupees. I would really ask you guys to try this one. This is amazing. It's Protein Body Splash, and it smells so amazing. I mean, I'm dying over the smell of the products, from perfume to hair serum to everything, man. I just cannot express how it smells like. It's amazing, and if you guys want to try out, you can try it. So I was talking about this Bronzing Professional Touch Sensitive Electric Trimmer. This trimmer was of rupees 199, and I got it for only rupees 141. Would you believe? I have just once used it for my upper lips, and I'll just show you how it seems like. So this is the full kit. So this is basically used for the bikini line. This is the cap for the trimmer. So as you can see over here, the trimmer has two ends. So this is basically, the small one is for the eyebrow, and this you can use for your upper lips. So what you need to do is, if you are like swiping it left side, this will open. You need to put the batteries inside these and then close it, take it to 0. If you swipe it right onto 1, it will start working. So this is how it works, and also to protect it, you can apply the cap on it. And also it has some combs with it that you can see in the description box. I'll be mentioning the full details over there. So I personally did not like this product because it does not comes with a guide with how to use it, how to start, and I just don't know, I don't feel good with it. It's written best choice here, but this is not up to my mark, so I would give it a nay. But if I talk about the technical thing, the upper lips were done so amazingly, and yeah, fine, but there was some hush things that I have to search on YouTube, that how to use it. But I think this product should come with a guide. That's what I didn't like about the product, or else the product is really good. Then comes a Cetaphil Dam lotion, and I just love this because I cannot live without it. That's it I want to say about this, because it really moisturizes your skin and it's superb. So this was costing me around 325 rupees, and I bought this for only 200. This is the amazing moisturizer I have ever been tried, and this is really ultra hydrating. I just love this product. I cannot live without this lotion. I just cannot live without this lotion. This is a life to me. Many of the bloggers I have seen, they also use this Cetaphil Dam. Winters are arriving, and I think this would be a better option than other of your cream. Give it a try. So guys, that was my Nykaa haul, and all these products I just got for rupees 750. Would you believe? I hope you really like this video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below that you liked the video or not. And also you can let me know what sort of videos you guys want me to make, and I'll surely help it out.